I know, you're a retard.
Did you delete that picture? You're like...
Yes, I deleted it.
Wow.
Look a retard.
That's the whole point.
I'm not a
We
retard.
should make an album saying we have pictures at random.
I'm making a video. I'm captain of an evil conspiracy.
No fighting!
Dude, that was the picture. Huh? Please. It's all.
Bye, Danielle! Bye, Amber! Bye, Rachel!
I don't like him.
I know him.
Hi.
Are you taking video?
No, I'm just videotaping everything without taking the video.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, Alyssa.
I'm smart like that.
Can you believe they like that spoon named Victor? And he's like...
Dude, shut up. Don't make it. That's why I didn't say the name all out loud. Make a video. Make a video. Retard. Get down. Make a video. I'ma talk like a hillbilly. Here, you hold it. Hold it.
Is it on?
It's on.
It's on.
Oh, you have it upside down, fool.
Dude, I knew that.
No, you didn't. You're such a liar.
I knew that, like, totally.
You're lying. You're a liar.
Let's zoom into her eye.
No, you can't zoom in on camera.
Aw, crap.
What?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mother.
Mother? Mother what?
Mother. Mother.
Son of a biscuit.
Oh my god.
I'm afraid I'm gonna like break my body. Stop. I can't do it.
You can do it. Come on, Lisa. I believe in you.
I can't do it. I bet you can't do it either. Let's go there to the car. No, you try.
What do I do?
I don't know. I don't know. Do some. I want to play rubber band, but nobody can get us doing it.
Have you ever heard of the floor?
No.
Because Yahaira owns it.
Rules straight from.
Oh, that push-ups.
Oh yeah.
Really
What are you benching now? Like 25?
No, 5.
His name should be right. Mine. I already put an A. A-L-Y. That looks like a retarded Y.
Ali.
S. Alyssa. That S looks so much bigger. Let's go tag her name all over the place, yeah? I'll use this. You want to record?
Yeah.
Dude, I wonder if anybody's going to see this tomorrow. I'm the captain of the evil conspiracy. There's A. L. 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 Y. Y. S.
That's a big S.
Exclamation mark. That's a big exclamation.
You know how you should do your exclamation marks? This is how. Not like this. No.
You're wrong.
Fine.
You go write your. Don't mess with it.
A
You go write your
L
name.
Y S S A.
Exclamation mark. Who's calling you?
Hello?
Who's calling you at this time of day?
Huh?